Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you. Hope everybody had a great Saturday out there. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday evening so far as well. And also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, if anybody is a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing today. Like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. And let's go ahead and talk about what we're going to be discussing in today's video. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be discussing the weather charts for your Sunday and Monday outlooks. We're going to take a look at the radar view across the nation. We're going to take a look at the watches, warning, and advisories. Also, we're going to take a look at the GFS model run for the next, till maybe, I might run it till at least maybe next Thursday to see what's on the GFS forecast run. And also, we're going to take a look at the National Weather Service forecast radar from Columbia, South Carolina. So, hope you stick around through the entire video and enjoy. Hope everybody's enjoying these videos too. Let's go ahead and get started here, shall we? Okay, we're starting off with Sunday, April the 9th, 2023 forecast. We got quiet conditions, high pressure building in from the northeast United States all the way down into the southeast portion of the United States. We got a low pressure system off the Carolina coast and another one down in the Gulf of Mexico, producing some showers right along the Outer Banks of North Carolina, through the Grand Strand region, low country, portion of the low country of South Carolina, southeast Georgia around the Savannah area, also over toward the panhandle of Florida, all the way down to the Florida Keys and Miami region as well. A few showers over southern Louisiana, just east of Houston, Texas. Some over southern Texas there as well. More shower and thunderstorm all the way from Texas through Oklahoma, all the way through Kansas to southern, central and southern Minnesota, and also a portion of northern Wisconsin. Also, we have high pressure building in pretty much the middle portion of the country and portion of the west and northwest of the United States. Exceptions of a little bit of precipitation, rain shower that is, from Oregon all the way into portion of Vancouver, Canada, with some mixed precipitation there, and also down in the Seattle, Washington region as well. All right, let's move on to the next one here. This is your Monday forecast, April 10th. A few little showers up here in northern New York and also a portion of southern Canada. Quiet high pressure dominating the east coast United States. Still got a low pressure system down around Miami in Florida. Shower and thunderstorm activity there, extending all the way back into Texas and portion of Mexico. Also up into Oklahoma, portion of Kansas and Missouri, and portion of Iowa. High pressure dominating pretty much the western portion of the United States. Exception again over here in the northwest portion of the United States, from Vancouver, Canada, through Seattle, Washington, all the way back into northern California with some mixed precipitation and rain showers there, as another low pressure system and a cold front drops into the region. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at the weather radar across the lower 48. We have showers, thunderstorms over the east coast of the United States, from pretty much offshore there, then through Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. We're getting a good dose of the rain back into the Georgia area, just around the Atlanta metro area. You should be drying out here shortly as the rain continues to push off to the east. We have shower and thunderstorm activity over the Gulf of Mexico. We continue to push east and move over. Well, scattered showers and snow showers over a portion of Colorado, portion of New Mexico, and up toward Wyoming and Montana and Utah region. A few scattered showers over Wisconsin, also over Tennessee, and also up in portion of southern Canada. Also, there's that system that you've seen on the weather charts over here in the northwestern United States, over here around Oregon and Washington State, producing some showers and some snow shower. Alaska looks good, and Hawaii looks good as well, with a few little scattered showers possible in that region. Alright, let's move on to the watches, warnings, and advisories across our local areas. We got northeast looking quiet. We have freeze and frost advisories over portions of Pennsylvania, around Maryland and Washington, D.C. area, back down into portions of Virginia. Also, we have some in portions of northeast Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, and southwest Virginia. We still have that lake wind. Also, we have some river flood issues going on around the Little Rock, Arkansas area, down toward Louisiana and portions of Texas. Still got that fire danger statements and also red flag warnings in effect for portions of Colorado and over toward Kansas and Nebraska and up towards South Dakota and Iowa. We have some hydro issues for portions of northeast Minnesota and also northern Wisconsin and portion of Michigan. Also, we have more hydro issues from North Dakota back to Montana, Idaho, Washington State. Also back over to Oregon and Nevada. We got some flood watches in effect for portions of Nevada. Pretty quiet across Alaska, except a little small area there with some winter weather advisory. And the Hawaiian Islands looks excuse me. Okay, here's the GFS model run. I'm going to show it real quick. We're going to be taking a look at the precipitation now. It's over the southeastern United States. There's that precipitation over the northwest. We will continue to go in time. I'm going to stop it at 2 p.m. Sunday. On Easter Sunday, that is. Area low pressure off the Carolina, off the east coast here. We'll continue to push away from the region. We may have some scattered showers and thunderstorms, like I say, from portions of Minnesota all the way back through portions of Kansas and Nebraska and even Texas, but no severe weather is expected with these. Just some general thunderstorms and maybe some heavy rain showers. Got some shower in the Gulf of Mexico and also some snow over southern southwest Canada and moving into the Pacific Northwest around the Washington and Oregon state areas. Okay, as we continue to go forward, I'm gonna stop it at 8 p.m. Monday evening. We have some snow showers, precipitation up here. Well, mixed precipitation in Canada. To dominate the East Coast. Scattered activity over the East Atlantic waters. Also over the Gulf waters as well. Also in from portion of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, down into Texas and Mexico. And there's that precipitation over the northwestern United States as well. Alright, as we continue to go forward, here's that little system I've been watching here. Tuesday, the little system down here in the Gulf of Mexico don't look quite as impressive like I've said earlier today. Like it's been on the GFS, the European about the same too. So it might not wind up after all, but it's just something to keep a close eye, just to be on the safe side if something do happen to develop. Alright, we went on to 8 a.m. on the 12th. This is Wednesday. This system comes to portions of Louisiana. You can see on the models here, one goes towards South Florida, the other one moves inland, and the ones that was near Louisiana continue to lift off to the northeast and affect the southeastern United States during that Friday and Saturday time frame next week. And so we got another system over in the middle portion of the country with more shower activity, some thunderstorms. Also, we have some more rain showers and some snow over southern Canada, and also more mixed precipitation over the northwestern United States as well. The radar here, it's raining from Charlotte, North Carolina to Wadesboro, North Carolina to Sherrill, South Carolina, Darlington and Florence area, all the way down towards Sumter and Orangeburg, Columbia. You getting in on it. Down toward Bamberg, Barnwell, y'all getting in on some precipitation. Statesboro, Georgia as well. Greenwood, South Carolina, Newberry, South Carolina, all the way up to Greenville, Spartanburg, and Anderson, South Carolina. You all getting some rain. Camden, Cassett, Bethune, all of us getting some rain as well. So enjoy the rain because it's good for the garden. And like I said, it's going to be dry starting tomorrow on your Easter Sunday and going all the way into next Thursday with pretty much dry weather conditions late Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's when the precipitation looks to come back into our forecast area. Alrighty. Well, I hope everybody has enjoyed this video. Hope everybody has a great evening. Continue to enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And we will catch you back in the next video. And consider subscribing. Also like these videos, share these videos, and get them out to as many people as possible.